Hello, my dear friends, and let's start with adjective quiz today. And the first question is: the beautiful lady smiled at the boy. You need to choose one of the correct adjective. The beautiful lady smiled at the boy. What is the adjective in the sentence? A. Beautiful. B. Lady. C. Smiled. And you have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. What is the answer? And the correct answer is beautiful. Very good. Now come to the next one. The man lived in a poor area in the city. The man lived in a poor area in the city. What is the adjective in this sentence? And the adjective in this sentence is poor. Very good. Circle it and underline. Now come to the next one. It was a cold day when I went to the beach. It was a cold day when I went to the beach. What is the adjective in this sentence? Come on, guess, dear kids. It was a cold day when I went to the beach. Which type of day it was? Cold. So circle cold and underline. Now come to the next one. The kind man gave the beggar $1. The kind man gave the beggar $1. What is the adjective? Come on, your time is running. Tell me first. Kind. Very good. So circle kind and underline. So, dear kids, this is how we have completed 1 to 4 questions of our adjective quiz. The first one was: the beautiful lady smiled at the boy. And the adjective here is beautiful. Then, the man lived in a poor area in the city. And the adjective in this sentence is poor. Then the third one is: it was a cold day when I went to the beach. And the adjective here is cold. Then the next one is: the kind man gave the beggar $1. Here the adjective is kind. Now, dear kids, what is the meaning of adjective? Adjective means the word that describes noun is known as adjective. Or we can say the words that tells us more about noun are known as adjectives. They are also known as describing words. Very good. You all know very well about adjective. Now let's proceed with our adjective quiz. And now the next question for our adjective quiz is: the t-shirt my mother gave me was blue. The t-shirt my mother gave me was blue. Come on, your options are: A. T-shirt, B. Gave, C. Blue. The t-shirt my mother gave me was blue. You have 3 seconds. Guess the answer. And the answer is blue. Very good. Circle blue and don't forget to underline. Now come to the next one. The house which Jack built was impressive. The house which Jack built was impressive. And your options are house, impressive, built. A. House, B. Impressive, or C. Built. You have 3 seconds to give the answer. Very good. The answer is impressive. Circle impressive and don't forget to underline. Now come to the 7th one. 7th question is the weathered leaves collected near the gate. The weathered leaves collected near the gate. And your options are A. Weathered, B. Collected, C. Near. Come on, guess the answer. A. Weathered, B. Collected, C. Near. Yes, the answer is weathered. Don't forget to underline as it is describing the quality of leaves. Now come to 8th one. And 8th question is young people sometimes take their privilege for granted. Young people sometimes take their privilege for granted. And the options are A. People, B. Sometimes, or C. Young. And the answer is, come on, guess. What is the answer? Young people sometimes take their privilege for granted. And the correct answer is young. Very good. Bravo. Circle young. Don't forget to underline. So this is how we had completed question number 5 to question number 8. And let's have a review. 5th question was the t-shirt my mother gave me was blue. And the adjective here is blue. Then 6th one. The house which Jack built was impressive. And the adjective is impressive. Then question number 7 is the weathered leaves collected near the gate. The correct answer is weathered. Then 8th one is young people sometimes take their privilege for granted. The correct answer is young. So dear kids, we had completed adjective quiz also. Now let us see comparative and superlative degree of adjectives. Dear kids, here we go with comparative and superlative degree of adjective. And the first question is, this book is dash than that one. Come on, guess. This book is dash than that one. Your options are, first, interesting, B, interestinger, C, more interesting, D, more interested. And the correct answer is more interesting. Very good. We are comparing two things. We are comparing this book with another book. So, more interesting. And don't forget to write here M-O-R-E, more interesting. More interesting. Very good. Now come to B1. Son is dash than my daughter. The second question is, my son is dash than my daughter. And the options are more taller, more tall, third one is taller, fourth one is tall. What is the correct answer? And the correct answer is taller. Very good. The correct answer is third one, that is taller. My son is taller than my daughter. Done. Now come to the next one. I hope that all of you are writing in your 1B number notebook. Now let's see the third one. This is the dash cake I have ever had. This is the dash cake I have ever had. And the correct answer is, come on, guess. Best. Very good. Tick first one. Out of best, good, better, well, we had written best because we are not comparing this cake with any of the thing. We are just saying that this is the best cake I have ever had. So we will write best here. So here we go for the next one. Now the next one is, Peter is dash than Robert. Carefuler, more careful, more carefuler, or careful. So what will be the correct answer? More careful. Very good. And write it down here. More careful. And read the sentence with me. Peter is more careful than Robert. We are comparing two persons. That's why we had used comparative degree of adjective. Now come to fifth one. Who is dash? Daniel or Matthew? And your options are A, busier, B, more busy, C, busier, D, more busier. And the correct answer is busier. Very good. We will write it down here. B-U-S-I-E-R, busier. Now come to the last one. He is the dash person I know. He is the dash person I know. Here we are talking about superlative degree. So what will be the correct answer? A. Happy. B. Happier. B. Happiest. Or D. Happiest. A. Happy. B. Happier. C. Happiest. Or D. Happiest. And the correct answer here is happiest. Very good. Tick and write it down. HAPPIEST. Happiest. So this is how we had completed our superlative and comparative degree of adjective quiz also. I hope that you all have a great fun today. So, bye. Take care. Thank you. And namaskar.